Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss the wpl-370 single speed. We just got this from the official store. I'll have a link down below. But open it up, got looking at it, see how it works. It seems pretty simple and straightforward. It comes with drive shafts, and it looks to be both setups for the rear drive shaft. So it will work with the C34 or a C44, which requires this longer shaft. So that was pretty cool. They threw that in there. We have our two gears, one of our shafts, our motor, 370 motor with a reducer thing on it, a little transfer case, and our case, along with the pack of the screws for the gearbox and the rest of the parts for the metal drive shafts. But yeah, it's pretty simple. See if we can set my phone up here. Okay, so we have our two pieces here for our gearbox. So we find where this goes in. Got our motor, got our flat spot on there. So we're going to line that flat spot up, sticking towards the inside to make it easier to put the set screw on. So we put this in there like that. We line these two holes up. These are screw holes. Here and here. And we take our shaft. Once that is screwed on, just imagine I put some screws in there. And here we have this first gear. Take your set screw, grub screw, and you put it in there. Get it ready. Slide it down over that flat spot. Try to get an Allen wrench in there and tighten that up, and that would be good. On this one has the other shaft. Line up your grub screw hole with the flat spot. You get that on there. Get your grub screw in there. So once we have that on there, this is actually where the drive shaft hooks for the one. And then there's this gear that goes down and runs off there. It's put in there. And the drive shaft hooks to the back of that. And you just take your other side of the case. Make sure everything's lined up. Put it on. It take your screws that are provided in your package, and it just takes a screw there and a screw there. And then in other videos we have how to put the metal drive shafts together, and it would be the same way with installing it. The metal drive shafts is find the flat spot, and that's where you tighten your grub screw down on. And this is for our custom project with our C34 frame that we're going to put a C14 body on. So I didn't actually screw or bolt anything together on this, because I just wanted to quickly show you how to roughly assemble it. I'm sure you could figure it out on your own, but if you're having some issues and were unsure of something and just want to watch a video on how to do it, this looks to be how to do it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you this helped you put your WPL 370 single speed together. Or if you're just wondering about the WPL 370 single speed and you're looking to purchase it, I'll have a link below to the official site or WPL official store where you can purchase this and other WPL products. Well, have a good day. Enjoy.